Hi again, everybody. I'm doing another Radiohead song. We've had so many requests for Radiohead that I'm going to have to do them all. So here's my next song. This is called Jigsaw, Falling into Place. I have the lyrics up over here. I'm going to take a look at them. And let's give this thing a start. Yeah, already. I love that guitar part already. Those are just such classic, uh, evocative guitar lines. I got to hear that again. Let's go. That's a really cool change to that. Great. Yeah.
Just as you take my hand, just as you write my number down, just as the jigsaw arrive, just as they play your favorite song, as your body disappears. No one will wind up like a spring before you had too much. Come back and focus again. The walls have been in shape.
I got to stop it right there. So I really like this. The chord progression is really interesting and really sophisticated. And then when the bass comes in, it kind of goes a little bit unexpected, where you don't really think it would go, as far as what you would be doing in the bass. But it creates the perfect atmosphere for the song and for these lyrics. The singing in the background creates the great mood, and then to have the lyrics on top of it, it's great. It's great. I'm really liking it.
They got a Cheshire cat grin, all blurring into one. This place is on a mission before the night out, before the animal noises closer get cameras, before you come a toe.
Yeah, listen to that ascending line in the bass and everything. Really cool.
Before you run away from me, before you're lost between the notes, the beat goes round and round. The beat goes round and round. Never really got there. I just pretended that I wasn't blowing instruments. As I set off shotguns, come on and let it out. Come on and let it out.
All right, so this song, I have to have this as one of my car driving songs.
Yeah.
This is one of those songs. This is great. I love the way it builds up. I love the emotion in it. The lyrics are great.
Just
Before you
wait.
run away from me, before you're lost between the notes, the beat goes round and round, the beat goes round and round. I never really got there. I just pretended that I had. Words are blunt instruments. Words are sawed off shotguns. Very cool. Very cool. I just love it. beautiful.
Jigsaw falling into place, so there is much to explain. You eye each other as you pass. She looks back, you look back. Not just once, not just twice. Wish you were a nightmare. Wish you were a nightmare. You got it on, you can feel it on your back. On, you can feel it on your back. Jigsaw falling into place.
Wow, I really like that song. That's everything about it is great. The intro is got these great chords that capture your attention right away. The beat of the song, and the the desperation of the lyrics. It's just great. It fits, everything fits so well in this song. So this is a great song. Um, Before you're lost between the notes, the beat goes round and round. I never really got there. I just pretend that I had. Great, 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 great. Jigsaw falling into place, so there's nothing to explain. You eye each other as you pass. She looks back, you look back, not just once, not just twice. Wish away the nightmare. Yeah, I don't know what to say. It's a great tune, great tune. I definitely, I love this song. Really cool. So thank you for recommending this. I'm going to be listening to this again. Remember, these are the first time I'm hearing these songs, so as with any piece of music, the more you listen to it, the more you start picking up, the more you start hearing the little nuances that maybe you missed the first time around. So I'm definitely going to be listening to all these things way more, and at some point may even be going into a little more in depth about what I'm hearing and what I'm liking about them as I listen to them more and more. So I want to thank you guys. Great, great suggestion, and just keep them coming. Thanks.